Hi, this is W, and this is my intentional living channel, or maybe my intentional living sandbox. I wanted to make a video real quick. I actually had the footage for this video made a day or two ago. I just had a long and intense battle with my bedroom closet and wanted to get this video out the door. This is totally unrelated to my bedroom closet. I made this video on home upgrades because one of the things that I want to do as a homeowner is do quick and easy projects to just make things a little bit nicer, make the flow easier, make it so that it works better with my routines and schedule. And one of the things that I've wanted to do for a really long time is just put a mailbox up on the wall next to the door so I could put action item mail in there, and I've been putting it off for a long time. I think that it can be really hard to just get the motivation to do projects. I think part of it is just because there are so many little things to do when you own a house that it just becomes overwhelming. And a lot of times, really the only thing that you need to do is take one step before the project and you discover that it's over before you even realize it. So I'm just going to share a couple of clips of my process in setting that up, and you'll get to see a little bit of my entryway, and hopefully you like it. If you have any projects that you've been working on, or just home improvement advice in general, leave them in the comments. I have a lot of unfinished projects, and probably the simplest one that I haven't gotten to is putting this mail holder right here. I'd like to get that up so when I have mail that has like action items, then it can just go under this painting. Then any stuff that I don't want can go directly into the recycling. So maybe I could put a little recycling container down there too. I think that really all I need is about 2.5 minutes to get some screws. I don't know why Shotzi's barking, besides the fact that I'm making this video. But I think all I really need to do is find some screws and get the electric screwdriver and get that done. So I think that actually took less than 2.5 minutes. And I found a ring that belonged, I think, to a great aunt or a great grandmother that was in the sewing drawer that was full of tools and stuff. So that was exciting. This is where I'm gonna put, somebody's interested. Somebody's making lots of noise. So this is pretty close to the front door, and really it's just because I try to put mail that I get that I don't want directly into this bin, so I'll just put that under here. And I need a place to put mail that I have action items for, and I don't have like I have a desk, but I don't have a good place to just store that. So now I've got a survey from Amanda Stuck that I've been meaning to fill out, and a promotional thing from Chewy. I'm gonna see if that saves me some money, and just look into that in general. I have a couple friends that get their food from Chewy, and it looks like all of the pet food that I do buy is they do have on Chewy. So we'll put that in there. Now I have this handy dandy mailbox that I can put action items in. Part of intentional living is making a flow that works for me. And I know that having the recycling by the door does. Or at least something to put papers in. So we'll see if that works. Also, right underneath it is my little table for putting library books before I bring them back. So we'll see. I also have this hook area that I installed a while ago. One of the hooks actually needs to be added back to that spot, but so far it's a lot easier to find my jacket and keys and stuff if they're always up. It looks like there is some plowing going on outside, so hopefully when I go to work tomorrow it'll be a nice experience. And so just as a shout out, this painting that I have right next to my front door is by Oriana Cruz, otherwise known as Tikva Wolf. They're the webcomic who now does the webcomic Kimchi Cuddles, but when we went to college, we went to the same college and had some fun shenanigans together, and now I have this awesome painting. So now hopefully this whole area, shots, please be quiet. Now hopefully this whole area will work for me in getting home, putting my keys and purse on the door, and walking over here, putting any bills or advertisements I want to look at or surveys for politicians I support to fill out over in this area. One day after setting this area up, and I'm already putting things that don't belong in my mail action item area.